Hello, pre-calculus students. This is the unit circle, and this is the secret pattern to the unit circle revealed. Okay, so we're going to start off with looking at the 45s. Here, here, and here. Hold on to something. When you convert 45 degrees to pi so many radians, it's going to be pi over 4. We call this 1/4 pi. So if we think about it, this 45-degree angle is going to be the same here as it is over here. So if we take 1/4 and keep adding 1/4 to this, we're going to get 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4. Yes, I'm going all the way to 8, 7/4. Dang it, 7/4. That was a Freudian slip there. 6/4, 7/4, 8/4. That's actually hard to write. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here. That's 1/4. This up here will be 2/4 pi. Now on your papers, you don't have 2/4 pi. You have pi over 2 because that's 1/2. 3/4 pi. 4/4 pi. But what do you have on yours? Pi, because that's 1 pi. 5/4 pi. 6/4 pi. 7/4 pi. And then you look back on it and see if you have to reduce that. So that's going to be 3 over 2. So that's 3 pi over 2. This is just 1 pi. The same thing happens. See, you don't have to do anything. If you know that that's intervals of 1/4, you just go 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, and so on. And just go a lap around the thing. Makes it quite nice. This would, of course, be 8/4, which is 2 pi. All right. Now, if I do the other parts, which are the 30, 60 parts, these are all in terms of sixths. And that happens for this one, and this one. Because if you think about it, 30, 60, 90, that's intervals of 30 degrees. So if this is pi over 6, that's like saying 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, 6/6. Now this does keep going up to 12/6, which will be 2 pi again. But watch this. If this is pi over 6, that's 1/6. This is 2/6, which you have pi over 3, that's 1/3. Okay, this will be 3/6, which is again pi over 2, or 1/2, because that's 1/2 right there. That would reduce. This would be 4/6, 5/6, 6/6, 7/6. Look on your papers. Do you not have 7/6 pi right there? That is a definite pattern to this. You skip the 45s. This would be 8/6, 9/6, 10/6, 11/6. And you just stick pi on the top of each one and reduce if you need to. A lot of them you will, like this one right here, for example. I'll just do that just for example. This is reducible by 2. Reducible is not a word, by the way, but you can reduce this by 2, and it would be 5 pi over 3. This is the pattern, people. If you're doing the 45s, it's 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, all the way around, kind of like a tape measure. And if you're doing the 30s, 30, 60, 90, because 30 goes into all those numbers, it's just 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, all the way up to 12 over 6, which would be this one right here. 12 over 6 is 2 pi. That is the secret. Do not tell anyone this stuff. All right? This is the secret. I'll see you tomorrow.